To get the eToro Black Card, the first step is to ensure you have met the eligibility requirements. eToro generally offers this premium card to users who meet specific criteria, such as maintaining a certain level of account balance or trading volume. It's essential to review these requirements on the eToro website or within your app to determine if you qualify. Once you have confirmed your eligibility, the next step is to log into your eToro account. Navigate to the account settings or the section related to the eToro Black Card. Here, you should find information about how to apply for the card. Follow the prompts provided on the platform to initiate your application. It may involve verifying your identity and providing additional information. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for eToro to review it. This process may take some time, so be patient. You should receive a notification regarding the approval of your application. If approved, you will receive further instructions on how to access and activate your eToro Black Card. Once you have your Black Card, be sure to familiarize yourself with its features and benefits. For instance, the card typically offers perks such as cashback on trades or discounts at participating merchants. Understanding how to maximize these benefits will enhance your overall trading experience on eToro.